It was just a verbal altercation. She didn't hit me. It didn't hit her. Those words set the tone for this entire case. Cardi B makes her position clear right from the start. No more touching, no more physical fight, no more incident in her view. But as the scene shifts from red carpets to a courtroom, we immediately understand the stakes are serious. So here's the key question. If there's no more physical contact, can it still be considered assault? We're inside a California civil courtroom, not a criminal one. That means Cardi B isn't facing jail time, but she is facing potential financial liability. A former security guard, Amani Ellis, claims the rapper assaulted her during a 2018 encounter at a medical office. With no more video footage, this case becomes something juries struggle with the most. She sighed vs. She sighed. Ellis testifies that what started as a brief interaction quickly turned aggressive. She claims Cardi B insulted her, invaded her space, spit on her, and scratched her face with long fingernails. An injury she says later required plastic surgery. The emotional weight here is heavy. She describes trauma, humiliation, and the lasting harm. But viewers should ask, do these claims match the evidence? As Ellis explains the incident, details start to matter: nail lengths, where the scratch occurred, and whether blood was visible. She says Cardi swung at her, missed, but still managed to scratch her face. Yet when questioned, uncertainty creeps in. Was the scratch on the nose or the cheek? Was there blood? Were photos taken? These inconsistencies raise a tough question. Are these memory gaps or warning signs? Defense attorneys press hard, pointing out contradictions between Ellis's testimony, deposition, and the incident report. Medical records don't mention facial injuries. She admits she didn't see a doctor that day and went home to rest. The courtroom tone shifts. This is where credibility becomes everything. Would you find these explanations believable or troubling? Now it's Cardi B's turn. Calm, candid, and unmistakably herself, she testifies as a hostile witness. She doesn't deny the argument, but she strongly denies any physical contact. She explains she was pregnant, alone, and heading to a private OB-atogin appointment. From her perspective, she felt followed, recorded, and cornered, not aggressive. The courtroom focuses on fingernails, pregnancy, and personal space. Cardi says her nails were short and not sharp. She says she felt fear, not rage, chest to chest with someone she believed was bigger than her. She admits there was a verbal fight, but insists it never crossed into physical violence. Does fear explain her reaction or does it excuse it? Both sides agree on one crucial fact: there is no more video, no more elevator footage, no more hallway cameras. Cardi says she wanted footage because it would prove she never touched Ellis. Without visuals, jurors are left with stories, tone, and consistency, and must decide who sounds more credible. Final overview, case summary, then implications. This civil case comes down to one legal question: can a verbal altercation alone amount to assault and battery without proven physical contact? Amani Ellis is seeking medical costs, lost earnings, and damages. Cardi B maintains there was no more touching, no more spitting, and no more injury caused by her. The outcome rests entirely on credibility and highlights how fame, privacy, workplace authority, and personal boundaries collide in high-pressure moments. Final chetea, call to action now. We want to hear from you. Who do you believe and why? Was this just words, or did it cross the line? If you found this breakdown helpful, like the video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to the channel for more courtroom analysis and trial coverage.